What art supplies you use doesn't matter that much, but the single thing that matters the most in your artistic journey, which can literally change your life forever, that you haven't considered it even once. And the thing I am talking about is, so I have an Instagram page named Artonime with over 13k followers on that page, and every time I upload a reel or a post, there will be someone in the comments asking about which pencil and which paper do I use, and every time my answer will be a normal 4B pencil and a normal paper that you can buy from your nearest stores. I don't use any fancy material for my art. I'm not saying using fancy materials to create art is wrong, but using fancy materials or professional materials until they are necessary is wrong. So, for example, if you are a beginner and you want to draw something you want, and you want the best possible paper you can have, then that's stupid. But if you are a pro, you want to level up your art to the next level and you want the best possible paper for that, then that's absolutely fine. So as for me, I bought this charcoal pencil and this white charcoal pencil, and I bought them because they were necessary for doing whatever I was doing at that time. And I bought them just yesterday, and today I am recording this video. And by the way, they are really great. Not sponsored, by the way. What art supplies you use doesn't matter that much, but the single thing that matters the most in your artistic journey, which can literally change your life forever, that you haven't considered it even once. And the thing I am talking about is consistency. Say with me, bitch. Consistency is the key to greatness. Once again, consistency is the key to greatness. And if you want to know how to stay consistent in your journey, watch this video.